This is Art and Arts English. Assalamu alaikum, welcome to English lesson. In this video, we will discuss SSC1 grade 9 English from model textbook of English. We will cover all of the units. In this video, we will discuss unit number 8, a poem. This is part 2, Crossing the Bar by Alfred Lord Tennyson. The important key points while studying poetry. About the poet Lord Tennyson of Eagle and Crossing the Bar. Understanding and discussion of the poem Crossing the Bar. Stanza type. What is quatrain? Poem Crossing the Bar is a quatrain, 4-line stanza. Rhyme scheme of the poem. Glossary, vocabulary. Paraphrasing of the poem. What is theme, main idea, mood and tone in poetry? Theme, main idea, mood and tone of the poem Crossing the Bar. Summary of the poem. Poetic devices, figures of speech or literary devices. Poetic devices or figure of speech or literary devices in poem Crossing the Bar.